This is a short tutorial on how to open your trading account with our recommended broker, OneRoyal. At the same time, how to deposit on your trading account, how to open a cent account, right? And how to open a standard account. At the same time, how to get connect and start trading with our bot. So let's start from how to open your trading account. Please take note, before you start trading with our bot, you must use our link to open your trading account. At the same time, to avoid opening fake website. And how can you gain access to our link? You can gain access to our link through our Telegram bot here, right? You can trade assistant, right? You can gain access here. Just come over to the bot here and click on start. The bot going to send you everything here at the same time, including our link, right? You see this? It's going to send you our link to you. So all you need to do, tap on the link and then open your trading account. Or you can also gain access to our link through any of our YouTube videos. Come over to YouTube channel here, open the description, right? You will see a link, our broker link. Please, you only require to open your trading account with our recommended broker. Tap on the link, right? And open your account. Or you can still gain access to our link through our Telegram channel, right? Just come over to our Telegram channel here. Just come over to our Telegram channel, right? Check the pin message here. You will see our link. Just scroll down. You'll see our link here to use. Or you can still come over to our DM, right? You can still come over to our DM. We will send you a link to use, right? So let's use the one that is on YouTube. All you need to do, just tap on the link, right? Tap on the link like this. It's going to take you to a Chrome or any of your browser. So this is how to open your trading account. I have an account already, so I'm going to use just a random email. Paste your link, then choose the country you're from, right? And then put your phone number. Let's say I have let me put this particular number. I have an account already, so I'll just put not a real number. Then click on open account, right? Open account. It will send a verification code to your email. So just go to your email, right, and copy the one-time code they will send to you, right, and then put it here, right? Then click on verify. Boom. So this is how simple it is. All you need to do is fill the details, right? Your first name, right? Anything you like. Okay. I have an account already, so I'll just write a random name, right? Okay, then your email address, you can put your date of birth. Let's just use this for example, right? Then you put where you're from. You search for Nigeria. Okay, put where you're from. Anywhere you're from, you put your country, your language, right? I'm currently speaking English. Tap on terms and condition, right? All right, tap on terms and condition, right? And then click on continue. Good. Ask you, your birthday seems incorrect. Okay, the birthday is not correct. Yeah, the birthday is not correct. So let me come more closer. Okay, let me use like maybe 2000, just for the purpose of this video, right? Just for the purpose of this. Then after you fill your detail like this, you click on continue. Good. Let's wait for some time. Then your account is 100% ready. So all what you need to do, you can maybe decide to deposit, but I strongly recommend before making deposit, try to verify your account, right? So all you need to do is to click on verify now. Click on verify now and then select based on your country. I think the verification is very simple. You add your city, right? You add your street number, postal code, then click on continue. Follow the procedure to verify your account. You can use any of your government valid ID card. They will get approved immediately. If you don't get approved, reach out to me. I'll reach out to my account manager to assist you and get verified immediately. But it's very simple. That's how simple it is to open your account. So the next step is, how do you open your trading account? A cent account or a standard account? So let's start from cent account, how to open a cent account. All what you need to do is to come over to this option here, right? Come over to the menu icon. You see this 3 dot here, right? Click on account. Then you see open live account. Tap on it, right? Open live account. Tap on it, right? And then you select account type, right? Select MT4. Please take note, the cent account is only available on MT4. So select MT4, and our bot is also available on MT4, right? So click on MT4, then click on continue, right? And then select account type. Boom, this is where you open your center account. You click on send account. If the center account is not available in your country, you can reach out to me, to reach out to my account manager to assist you. Yeah, and then for your leverage, we recommend maybe 1:1,000. You can even use 1:500. It doesn't matter. Our board is not high risk, Yeah, but I strongly recommend use 1:1,000 to avoid any error or mistake. Then click on continue. Good, right? And then you confirm again. Click on continue. Right, yeah, boom, this is your login details. At the same time, they will also send you the login details to your email. So if you come over to your email here, you notice they will send you the login details as well. So let's check this. Right, they will also send you your login details. Good, here's your login details. Right, so this is what you're going to send to us to get your account connected. Right, we'll come back to that. Then let's proceed on how to deposit on your trading account. Right, how do you deposit on your trading account? All you need to do, just come over to this option here, right? Click on funds, right? Click on funds, then click on deposit funds, right? Deposit funds. And then I recommend using crypto if you're familiar with crypto, because it's more faster when it comes to deposit, no delay, and when it comes to withdrawal, is faster, no delay at all. Let's kindly go to my real account to make a deposit. I'm currently on my main account right now, so let me show you how to make deposit using crypto on your trading account. All you need to do is to come over to this option, click on this menu icon. You see this three dot, right? Anything you want to do, just click on this three dot here, right? Then come over to funds, right? Click on funds, then you see deposit funds. Good, deposit funds, right? I strongly recommend using crypto, right? At the same time, when you want to make deposit, you can either choose any wallet that you want to put your funds, right? This is my Bitcoin account. It's not really my main account, which I'm currently using. So let's assume I want to deposit on my wallet first. Right, you can either deposit on your wallet first. I'll also show you how to transfer to your main account, right? So I want to deposit on my OneRoyal wallet first. Then from the wallet, I'll transfer it to my trading account, right? So I want to deposit using crypto. I tap on crypto, right? Then you come over to this option, continue. Then put any amount you want to deposit. Currently, mentally for this tutorial, I'll deposit $100. In case of any fee, I would likely do $101, so I'll get exact $1 on my account. Then you choose any of your available option. You can decide to use USDT BEP20. You can decide to use USDT TRC20. I think is more popular. You can use BTC. You can use Ethereum. You can use Litecoin. You can any coin that's available here. You can use it perfectly fine. But I'm cool with USDT TRC20 is more popular, right? I tap on it. Then you see this option here. Continue. Good, continue, and then you click on continue again. Let's see, confirm again, right? So they're going to send you this wallet. Please take note, you have to send the exact amount here to this wallet here, you understand? And please take note, if you choose USDT TRC20, only send USDT TRC20 to the address. If you choose USDT BEP20, only send that to the address. Example, I'm using USDT TRC20. You went ahead and sent maybe USDT BEP20, man, your money is gone. You understand? So please don't make that mistake. Any wallet you choose here, any cryptocurrency you choose and network, make sure you use the same cryptocurrency and the same network, right? So currently I choose USDT TRC20, right? So what I'll do is I'll copy this here, and then take it to my exchange, right? You see the amount that I'm going to send, about $101. So maybe I might likely send 102, 100 and whatever. So let's go to our wallet here. Then you come over to this option, click withdrawal, right? Click on withdrawal, and then I choose USDT TRC20 withdrawal. Then I click on the wallet here, and then remember my network TRC20. Good, I choose TRC20. Put the amount. So currently what I'm sending is, let me see the exact amount. Let me try to copy, right, and see if my broker would allow me to pay this exact amount. If they doesn't, then I'll just send $102. It will still go through, right? So let's paste this like this. Good. I think okay, they will allow me, but if your agent doesn't allow you, you can. If your agent doesn't allow you, you can maybe just do like $102. It will still go through. You understand? But since my agents allow to send the exact amount, I'll just paste it here. I think okay, they don't allow me to send the exact amount, so I think they'll charge me $1 for this. They'll charge me $1. Remember, I need complete $100 on my account, so I'll just do $102 for the example. I click on confirm. Good, right? And click on confirm, withdraw, right? And then I'll get code. So it's done, right? So let's wait to receive the funds on our trading account, and then at the same time show you how to transfer it to your trading account. So right now they've credited us the $100, right? If you come over to your account, let's see funds, right? Account transactions, you notice they have credited us deposit $100. Now that the funds have been credited to our account, so the next step is to transfer it to our trading account, right? So all you need to do, come over to your menu icon again, right, and click on account. Remember, you already opened your trading account. Then select where you want to transfer the funds from. Currently, the one that we deposited landed on our wallet, right? You choose your wallet, which we have the fund, then choose a trading account that we want to transfer the funds to. So let's assume I have a cent account here, right? And you can also choose the one that you open. I have a cent account. All I need to do is to tap on that particular account, right? Tap on the particular account you want to transfer the funds to, click on continue, right? And then put the amount you want to credit on the trading account. You put the amount, right, and it will appear as 10,000 cents. Good. We click on continue. Right, click on continue and then click on continue again. This is confirmation, right? Boom, right? So your account is 100% ready. So all what you need to do is to go, and after you have put the funds on your trading account, to get connected immediately, right? All you need to do is to send us your MT4 login details. This particular one here that they sent to your email address. Copy this, right, and send to us. Just copy it like this, right? Come over to our DM through our Telegram bot. This is how to write us. Come over to our bot. Please take note, this is our only means of communication from now. A country assistant bot, right? And then it's going to send you a link. If you don't see any link here to write us, just come over to this option here, this menu icon, tap on message. It's going to send you this message here, right? Or if you are on this bot, if you don't see, you can see, click on the up here, right? You're going to send you a link to message us right now. Message good. Maybe you can just type good evening, maybe I'm done. Okay, I'm done opening my account. Boom. You send us the login details, right? You send your login details, and then we'll review it, and in the next few minutes we'll get your account connected. This is how simple it is to open your broker account, open a cent account, deposit on your trading account, at the same time transfer funds to any of your trading account. Then what left is how to open a standard account. Here on this broker, they call it classic account. So let's follow the same procedure. To open a classic account, just come over to this option here, right? Click on the account, right? Click on account, open live account, right? Open live account, then choose MT4. You can also use MT5. Please take note, for classic account, which is standard account, standard dollar account, the minimum deposit is $500. If you don't have up to $500, open cent account. And also take note, you can use MT4 or MT5, right? So let's assume you want to use MT5. Just choose it like this, click on continue, right? And then choose classic account. It's the standard account here, not ECN, not Prime. Take note, classic account, right? If you want to trade with our bot, except maybe you want to use it on your own activity, then click on continue, right? I've already reached the number of account I can open. I cannot longer open an account again, but you that have not opened, they will give you option. Just follow the same procedure, and then they will send you the login details just like this. Then all you need to do, just go to your backend after you are done depositing. Let's assume you want to transfer funds to that classic account, right? All you need to do, just come over to your home page here, right? When you're on your home page here, right, click on this three menu here, this menu icon, right? Then you want to do transfer. Take note, you have to come over to funds, click on funds, click on transfer funds, right? Click on transfer. You check where you have funds. Currently I have funds on my wallet, which is where I deposited. You select the account I want to transfer to. Let's assume I have this particular standard account here. I don't have any money. Follow the same procedure, right? You put the amount you want to transfer to, right? Then click on proceed. So this is how simple it is to open your trading account. And when you are done sending your login details, please take note, you are not required to send your login details to random persons, because they can get access to open trade on your account, at the same time blowing your account. Then what happens when you send out your MT4 or MT5 login details? Please take note, we use the login only to connect the bot to your account, right? And we save them on a very safe place, and it's only controlled by me and few of my trusted team members. We are here for everybody to win. We make sure we handle your login details 100% perfect and 100% secure. So please don't randomly send your login details to anybody. If you want to maybe send your login to someone to view your trading activity, you can send investor password, right? Only your investor password to the person. Please take note, if you want to trade with our bot, the minimum balance to use our bot is $100, right? And take note, the $100 must be on the center account, which I'm explaining how to open here. And then if you want to use $3 account, the minimum is $500, right? Then if you don't have up to $500, you open the center account just the same way I instruct on this video, and then we'll still get you connected. You're still gonna make the same profit. Please don't forget, I remain your friend, a candy trader. I'm hoping to see you on my next video. At the same time, seeing you eating big, making money every day with our community trading bot. Bye for now.